So this is from BBC News, dated, what's the date here? Let's see what's the date here. November 19, 2025. So ngayon lang ito. Two Miss Universe judges quit scandal hit pageant as one claims it's rigged. Bakit? Bakit? Anong nangyari? So, two Miss Universe judges have resigned days before the annual beauty pageant, with one of them accusing organizers of rigging the selection process. So, may may luto na ba to? Naluto na naman ito? Oh my goodness. Lebanese French musician Omar, I don't want to pronounce his family name, who announced his resignation from the 8-member jury on Instagram, alleged that an impromptu jury had pre-selected finalists ahead of the competition set to be held on Friday in Thailand. So yun po ang dahilan ng kanyang resignation, kasi may napili na daw. May napili na agad. Ayan o, sabi o, pre-selected finalists ahead of the competition. Wag ganun. Ganyan na naman tayo Miss Universe Hindi yan fair. That's not fair. Kahit pa kasama ang Philippines dyan, it's still not fair, ha? Be fair po. Alam natin na lahat gustong maging Miss Universe, but gawin natin patas lahat. Yun lang po. Salamat. O yan ho ay coming from the BBC News today. So, ay nako po. Be fair, please. Thank you.